Hi everyone, welcome to NPA Teaching. I hope you enjoyed the last video. In this video, I am going to discuss the various types of matrices. In the last video, we are already discussed the basic concepts of matrices. Once again, I am repeating here, matrix is a rectangular representation of elements or numbers arranged systematically in a rows and columns. Each numbers given in a matrix are called elements of the matrix. The numbers in the horizontal line are called rows and numbers in the vertical lines are called columns. Usually we are denote matrix by a capital letter A or B, etc. and which are arranged in a square matrix or a large parenthesis. Thus, matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or parameters or variable or function, each of which has carefully ordered in the form of horizontal or vertical line. Now we are going to discuss various types of matrices. We know there are different types of matrices and are basically categorized on the basis of value of their elements or their order or number of rows and columns, etc. I would like to discuss the various types of matrix which are categorized below along with their definitions and some of their examples. The first type of matrix is row matrix. A matrix having one row only, then such a matrix is known as row matrix. The order of row matrix is always 1 into R. It is also known as row vector. For example, given matrix A is equal to 4, 6, 1. In this matrix we can see that we have only one row. So that we can say that this matrix is a row matrix or it is a row vector. The second matrix is column matrix. A matrix having one column, then such a matrix is known as column matrix. The order of column matrix is always C into 1. That is, it has m rows and only one column. It is also known as a column vector. For example, the matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 9 is a column matrix of order 3 into 1. We can see that only one column is present in this type of matrix A. Another type of matrix is square matrix. A matrix having the number of rows equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. A matrix of order R into R is called a square matrix of order R or R-rowed square matrix. For example, the matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D is a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Take the another example, that is A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F is a square matrix of order 3 into 3. So in this example, we can see that the number of rows are equal to of columns in this both matrix 2 into 2 and matrix 3 into 3. Another type of matrix is rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is generally called it is a rectangular matrix. The arrangement of elements in the matrix in a rectangular shape. That's why this matrix is called rectangular matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3. And this another way we can say that the matrix B is equal to 1, 8, 0, 7, 2, 1. In this both matrix, it is either rows is less than column or rows are greater than column. That means the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Such a matrix is generally known as it is a rectangular matrix. Another type of matrix is diagonal matrix. If all elements of diagonal elements of a square matrix are 0, then the matrix is called diagonal matrix. If all elements except the principal diagonal in a square matrix is 0, then we can say that it is a diagonal matrix. Consider the given example. matrix A is equal to 5 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. In this given matrix, see the diagonal elements are 5 2 3, but the off diagonal elements are 0. In such a type of matrix are generally known as diagonal matrix. The special thing is all the non-diagonal elements of this matrix are 0. That means only diagonal has non-zero elements. There are two important things to note here, which are, first one, diagonal matrix is always a square matrix, and the second one, a matrix can have only one diagonal. Another form of matrix is triangular matrix. A square matrix at which all elements above and below the diagonal matrix are 0. Such a matrix is generally known as triangular matrix. There are two kinds of triangular matrix, lower triangular and upper triangular matrix. In the case of a lower triangular matrix, the all elements above the diagonal matrix are 0. Then we can say that it is a lower triangular matrix. Consider the example given. Matrix A is equal to 5 0 0 1 2 0 4 2 3. In this case, the elements above the diagonal matrix are 0. Such a matrix is known as lower triangular matrix. As against this lower triangular matrix, if all elements below the diagonal matrices are 0, then it is known as upper triangular matrix. Consider the example of a matrix B is equal to 5 1 4 0 2 2 0 0 3. In this case, the elements below diagonal matrices are 0. So, the example matrix A is equal to lower triangular matrix, and the matrix B is equal to is an example of a upper triangular matrix order 3 into 3. Consider the another type of a matrix is scalar matrix. If diagonal elements of a diagonal matrix be all equal or the same value, then matrix is called scalar matrix. Consider the given matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. See, in this matrix, the diagonal elements are equal to 5. Such a square matrix in which every non-diagonal elements is 0 and all the diagonal elements are equal. Thus, if all elements in the diagonal of diagonal matrices are equal, it is called a scalar matrix. Another type of matrix is unity matrix, or it is also known as identity matrix. If all diagonal elements of a diagonal matrix are equal to 1, then it is called unity matrix. Let us consider the example of a matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. See here, all the elements of diagonal matrices are equal to 1. Such a square matrix in which every non-diagonal elements is 0 and all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called unity matrix or identity matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. If in a matrix all elements are 0, then it is called a zero matrix and it is generally denoted by a null matrix. Consider the matrix null is equal to 3 into 3 and 3 into 2 and 2 into 2. Order of matrices are given here. See here, all the elements of 3 into 3, 3 into 2 and 2 into 2 order matrix given here are 0. Such a matrix is known as zero matrix or null matrix. Equal matrix. Two matrices A and B are equal matrix if they are same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Consider the example of a matrix A and B. Matrix A is equal to 3 4 1 2 and matrix B is equal to 3 4 and 1 2. Both these matrices are equal matrix because the order is same and the corresponding elements are also equal. So, such a matrix A and B is generally called an equal matrix. Another form of matrix is idempotent matrix. A symmetric matrix that reproduces itself when we multiply a matrix by itself is generally known as idempotent matrix. Matrix A will be termed as idempotent matrix when matrix A into matrix A is equal to itself produce matrix A. Let us consider the given example. Matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1 is an idempotent matrix. If you multiply the matrix A into A, give the same value of matrix A. So such a matrix, that is when you multiply a matrix itself, then it reproduce itself as a matrix A. Such a matrix is known as idempotent matrix. A symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix if it remain unchanged by interchange of its rows and columns. In other words, a square matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix if you take the transpose of a matrix A which is equal to the matrix A. That means if you interchange rows into columns or columns into the rows, then you will get the same matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1. If you interchange rows into column and column into the rows, then the matrix itself produce the matrix A. Another example, matrix A is equal to 1 2 minus 3 2 0 4 minus 3 4 6 is a 3 into 3 matrix. If you interchange the rows into columns and column into rows, then it is remain unchanged. Such a matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if it changes only in sign by interchange of its rows and columns. That means if you interchange the rows into column and column into rows, then its sign will change, the value will not change. So if, for example, matrix A is equal to 0 minus 10 10 0. If you interchange the rows into column and column into rows, then just the sign of 10 is changed. For example, take the another example of a 3 into 3 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to 0 minus 2 3 2 0 minus 4 minus 3 4 0. If you interchange the rows into columns and columns into rows, then its sign will be changed. Such a matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. I hope you understood the different types of matrices. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to get the updated video by clicking the subscribe button. I wish you all the best and see you in the next video. Thank you.